now we've done the graphics card onto the motherboard, and I've just noticed that I ordered the wrong one. I wanted the Z97 but the G45, but this is the Gaming 3. Must have got mixed up on the order somehow. So that'll be going back, and there'll be another video on that when I get it. We have a look at the RAM now. This is the Kingston Hyperx. It's 8 gig of RAM, 2 4 RAM sticks, 4 gig sticks even, sorry, and it's clocked at 2400 megahertz, so it's relatively high. I think the motherboard has to be overclocked the RAM or something to do that. So it's nice heat spreaders on there. Won't take it out of the packaging. You can see it when I do another video showing you all my parts I've got for this build.